Alright, clean sound for number 1 here. And got the pinky down for the first 2 bars. And then ring finger down for the last 2 bars. Remember to pay attention to the quarter notes. Pay attention to the quarter notes. 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2, back to distortion. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, remember to pay attention to the quarter notes. Very important thing to do. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 3. 3/4 time signature. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Make sure that you make a good hooking motion off the string. You gotta keep that finger independence going. 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Working with number 4. Let's change this. So you can write the chord names to the right of the Roman numeral. You can do it on the top of the Roman numeral, somewhere close by. So first thing to do is write out chord names. Or you can just start by writing out the note names. Let's do that. Forget the chord names for right now. Let's just have you start with the notes that make each of these keys. You got the key of C to start. You know it's the key of C because there are no sharp or flat cymbals over here. So key of C to start, so write out those 7 notes. Now, the next thing, we have 1 sharp. So what you do is you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes in that C scale. That 5th note is the first note for this key. So then you write out the 7 notes for this key. And I'm not saying what the root note is because I want to see if you can figure it out. So again, the 5th note in the key of C is the first note for this new key. So one of the notes has to be sharp. Has to be sharp. So you can use your major scale formula to figure that out, or just use the notes when you play the appropriate major scale. And then once you get those notes filled out, then once again you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth note in this scale will be the root note of the new scale. And you write out those notes. Fifth note in this scale will be the root note of the next scale. So it's always going to be like that. The fifth note of the current scale will be the root note of the new scale. The sharps, telling you how many sharps will occur in each key. So this will have 1 sharp, this will have 2 sharps, this one will have 3, this will have 4, 5, and so on. So just fill out the notes first. Send over what you got. I'll let you know how it looks. So that's step 1. Fill out the notes for every scale, which is the same as every key, and we'll go from there. Okay, if any questions come up, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.